Hello everyone, welcome back. That last video started getting long. I think it was approaching 20 minutes. I wanted to terminate it and thought I'd just pick back up again on the design of that signal tracer probe that I used. And again, I probably built this thing 10-15 years back or so, and I don't even remember the schematic source for it. Unfortunately, I should have documented it and put it down in here. That would have been helpful to know. And I could probably go research it on the internet and probably find a match. But for those out there just getting started in the hobby, building these things is very rewarding as well. Back in that period, I didn't, have the financial means to go out and buy surplus test equipment, and pick up a signal tracer, which I have. It's a Heath kit. I've never restored this, but it does work. A little bit of hum. I'm sure the electrolytics and the other caps need to be replaced, but this does work. But again, I had bought these parts and pieces again just to put this little piece together. Then these are just some leftover Logitech amplified speakers from an old desktop computer that I no longer use. So here's the circuit. Hopefully this is showing up on camera. I just took time to pop the back cover off and document it. Again, the red probe comes in as the input. It goes through a capacitor, and again, that's just used to block DC. And then there's a bleed-off resistor of 100K between the anode and cathode of the 1N34A or equivalent germanium diode. And I'm pretty sure, I can't see any documentation, but I'm guessing at that period of time I probably picked up a 1N34A or equivalent diode to use. The anode side goes back through a 4.7K resistor back over to one final cap again that connects itself to provide protection between the positive and negative. And again, I'm feeding the plus side over to the amplified speakers. The ground side always goes back to the chassis ground or the B- if it's a floating ground. And it's really that simple. So here's the circuit. And again, I built this a long time ago, so probably not my neatest work, but it does suffice. Thought I'd show that to you guys, and for those out there just getting started in the hobby, again, you could build this probably just for a few dollars. You could put this in a pill box or plastic tube, or just get creative and putting it in anything. And you can pick up these amplified speakers, brand new, probably for $10, or shop around at at Goodwill or some other location, probably pick them up for $1 or so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share this last part on this little signal tracer probe. Hopefully it added some value. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate my new subs.